Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this cabbage detox soup recipe that washes out bad fats, most especially belly fat. So as you can see, this is my belly. Whenever I feel like I have this kind of chunky belly, I go for such recipes like this, and within days my belly goes down flat. So I am showing you my pictures so you actually understand what I'm talking about. Like, this washes away bad fats from your system so you can stay in shape. Voila! So in order to make our cabbage detox fat burning soup, the first ingredient we'll need, of course, will be cabbage. Cabbages are very good at detoxing and flushing out bad fats from the system. Not just that, having it for like 3 days will keep you so full you will not feel like eating any other thing, and they are loaded with a lot of dietary fiber to keep you full. That way it easily metabolizes without storing up. It is like you are eating food but with no calories getting into your system. So it is technically like you are not eating for 3 days but you are eating. So I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Plus, it washes out bad fats from your system. Like, this is so good. If you try this for 3 days, you come back and tell me you lose a lot of calories, most especially belly fat. It flushes out belly fats from your system. So this is what you want to do. You want to get your one cabbage, slice, wash thoroughly into some good sizes you can get into your pot. So that is it. The first ingredient, sliced cabbage. Always make sure to thoroughly clean your cabbage so you don't put that into your system. The second ingredient will be garlic. So I'll be adding in garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger are very powerful metabolism boosters, and I'll be using fresh garlic and ginger. Very important. I'll be like crushing them, and I'll just watch how I'll use them in here because these are very important ingredients for this soup. This will help to facilitate your metabolism, boost it so you can easily burn out the bad fats from your system. Like, this recipe is so good if you follow the steps carefully. So these are 3 cloves of garlic, and I'll be using 1 inch or 1.5 inch of ginger. So you want to get your 3 cloves of garlic. You can crush it. If you have a crusher, a manual crusher, you can easily just crush. So I am doing this so people who don't have the manual crusher, they can use their blender to actually, like, their grate to actually just grate it. So that is my ginger. You just need to add 1.5 inch of ginger. Same thing, you grate like the garlic. So this step is very important. This fresh ginger and garlic are very good to heat up and flush out all the bad fats from your belly. Most especially, ginger and garlic are very good at cleansing bad fats from the system. So this is a very important ingredient. Like, I will not reiterate more than this. So yeah, so these are the first ingredients. So this is carrot. I'll be adding in carrot in here, but I didn't want to take your time slicing up the carrot. So this is like 2 carrots that I just like sliced into some good shapes I like. This will like increase the quantity of the soup, as well as load your system with good nutrients as well. So I'll be adding in carrots for the soup. That is my carrot there. Wow, the next thing I want to add in here now will be onion. So onions are very good, and I'll be adding in half an onion. Onion is very good at cleansing. Like, onion cleanses your system. That way your liver can be in good state to help you with this detox process. So your liver loves onion. Add it in this soup. Very good for your liver. So that is it, to cleanse and flush out waste from the system. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be tomato. So you can get your fresh tomato, 3 tomatoes, blend, and you'll get a paste like that. So you just need to blend 3 tomatoes and you'll get a paste like that. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be black pepper. So black pepper helps you, these ingredients really absorb in your system, and it helps to burn fats as well. I will be using olive oil as my oil. You can use coconut oil, olive oil. Please avoid vegetable oil. You want to use olive oil or coconut oil, please, because the regular oil contains a lot of bad calories, the bad fats we are avoiding. So these are 2 tablespoons of olive oil I've added, and I'm adding in my onion in the pot. So you want to stir your onion up a little bit so you don't have that raw onion taste. And like, this is it. I'm adding a little bit of black pepper. So you can add like a teaspoon of black pepper. So this is black pepper. I'm adding like a teaspoon in there. You want to stir, 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 and you can now add in your carrots. Add your carrots, stir a little bit, and you can add in your cabbage. So this is what you do. You just stir the first ingredients to like warm them up a little bit, not like really frying. And now you can add in your cabbage. So the next thing you want to add is your cabbage. So this is it. You add your cabbage in the pot and stir, 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 stir. This is not like really frying, like you just want to heat them up. Like this step is very important for taste. Like I don't like some of these recipes because they don't taste. So now I am adding my ginger and garlic. So this is when I add my ginger and garlic, and I will stir for just a little bit so it doesn't cook too much, but it will still like have that good taste in your mouth. So now I'll add my tomato. This is when you add your tomato paste, your blended tomato or tomato sauce, whatever you want to use. Just use tomatoes for thickening, and so it keeps you full as well. Plus it will help to wash up your belly as well. Like the raw tomatoes are very good. So this is what you do. And now you can add any spice of your choice. This is a paprika. You can add the spice that suits you so it tastes good in the mouth. This is a chicken flavor. I'm just adding this spice because I really want to eat and not feel like I'm suffering. Like put your spice that you love in, but avoid salt and Maggi cube. You can put your spices but without salt and Maggi cube. You stir, 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 stir. When it gets to this point, that is when you add in your water. So it would taste so good in the mouth. Trust me, you don't want to eat this thing like it is one like some I tried one recipe I saw, but I didn't really like it. Like I had to make it my own way and it came out really good. Plus it did its job. Like this is it. You want to keep it now to boil for like 10-15 minutes. You don't want it too cooked. So this is it. After 10-15 minutes, this is the soup. It is ready. And it looks so attractive, so delicious in the mouth. Like the flavors are just like, in short, it is so nice. You want to try, like this is what you have to be. In short, I will give you the instructions at the end of the video so I don't interrupt. So this is it now. I've transferred in my bowl and voila, you see how beautiful it looks, and it actually tastes so good in the mouth as well. So this is it. This is it in your bowl. You can actually eat eat as much as you can. The more you eat, the more it cleanses you. This has almost no calories, but it will keep you so full because cabbage contains a lot of fiber which keeps you so full, but with no bad calories that will make you gain weight. It's like you are not eating for 3 days, but you are eating. So it is like you stay for 3 days without eating because this is like no calories here, but the cabbage is to keep you so full. Plus cabbage helps to boost your metabolism, helps to wash out bad fats from your system. Plus the garlic, ginger in here, all the ingredients put together, this is very powerful if you're looking to shred, most especially belly fat, to flush out the bad fats from your belly and get back in shape. So you can have this for 3 days. Like this should be your meal for 3 days. You are not eating any other thing. If you feel like eating something, just drink your tea, but without sugar. You can drink your tea with honey, but this is your food for 3 days. And you come back and tell Riza, these are my secret recipes I use to always stay in shape without all the chunky belly fat. Like when I realize my belly getting so big, these are the recipes I just go to for quick results. Like in 3 days, you see my belly so down. So I thought of sharing with you today. I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay in shape and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next video. Bye. Et bonne journée.